Yes, sir. Rise and grind, man. Back at y'all with another video. The Pull Up King. In this video, see, you got the V-Dub Volkswagen 2017 Volkswagen PASSAT. Gonna be doing the spark plugs on it, man. Just a quick one. Wanted to show y'all how it's done. Don't think I got this on my channel, so I'm gonna add it on. Get to it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
See, I got my spark plugs. Show you the part number I got. Got the double platinum ones. We didn't have the NGK ones that I wanted, the ruthenium, whatever you call them. But these will do. And you can see, got the engine cover off. Just pull that off, simple. You gotta take off these 10mm bolts here. Let's start with that. These are tools, man. Simple. I wanted to keep it simple for y'all. Just a ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, 10mm. You can get a short one or a long one. I got a long one. This is a 5/8 spark plug socket extension. Oh yeah, can't forget that there. Get that magnet, just in case you need to pull out those spark plugs. Alright, that's all 4 of those bolts. Take this like little ground wires. I'll take those off. And as you can see, we still got 4 more bolts to take off, holding the coil packs down. Alright, we got those bolts out. See how long they are. Gotta get these off. Push these back and pull them off. Once I get all of those out, I can pull out the coil pack. Alright, we got those bolts out. See how long they are. Gotta get these off. Push these back and pull them off. Once I get all of those out, I can pull out the coil pack. Alright, so I had to grab a little flat head and push up on those so they can unlock, because I couldn't do it with my fingers. And then this along, get those back. See? Now we can take the coils out. All those coils out. And we can work on those spark plugs. NGK, what's that? VW factory spark plugs. That's all of them. NGK. It's them VW spark plugs. Going back in with some more NGK. Alright, after we got those spark plugs installed, we want to go ahead and put those coil packs back inside and get them going. Back in position. That's it. Just make them, gotta snap them in place, your head click. And that is gonna be it. Quick fix. I know a lot of y'all can do that at home. Just make sure you get the right spark plugs. man. If you're liking the content, you know what to do. Get this video a thumbs up, man. Appreciate the likes. Go ahead and run them up. Appreciate the comments. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hey, man. Till next video. The Pull Up King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.